Along with the app updates, many changes are happening inside the app, just like what happened to Ono. Thank you for using Ono. Ono has ceased operations and is no longer available. To continue trading and managing your tokens, use the World app. To continue using Earn, use the Morpo Mini app or PAF wallet. There's been a lot of change in the app, so here it is. Ono has officially shut down. That's why I can now see the amount I deposited in Ono directly in my wallet. But the amount I deposited in the Ono Mini app is still visible here in another Mini app called Morpo. There is really no difference since they are basically the same. The interest percentage or APY is still here as well. I've been using the World app for more than a year now, exactly 14 months. After verifying through the orb and scanning my iris to become verified on World app, I can say that this app is very generous. Why did I say it's generous? Because until now, I'm still receiving monthly claims here. It may be a small amount, but it could grow in value someday. WorldCoin is a token or a type of cryptocurrency whose value may increase in the future. We just don't know when that time will come. For now, what we can do is keep accumulating tokens like WorldCoin. We can simply hold them here in the app, or we can also transfer them to other crypto app. We can also convert them into other tokens or more stable cryptocurrencies. Right now, it may be a good time to buy crypto while prices are low and wait for their value to increase in the future. As you can see here, this is already my important monthly claim on the World app. What's happening in the world right now, maybe that's why cryptocurrencies or most of cryptocurrencies, or we call digital money, are experiencing a significant drop. But based on these charts, we can see that the leading cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, is starting to rise again. I am saying this because since WorldCoin was launched on July 24, 2023, the value has not really increased yet. And as we can see right now, the value has actually been going down and going down. But we still remain hopeful that the value of WorldCoin will rise someday. As someone who is holding WorldCoin, I'm manifesting that WorldCoin, it can one day become as successful as Bitcoin. For people like me who are using the World app, what do you think the future of WorldCoin will be? And for those who are still having a hard time updating their World app here in the Philippines, I will still share the VPN that I am using. Just download this two apps, Japan VPN and Open VPN. Open the Open VPN app and you'll see the server there. Just tap the reconnect and it will connect automatically. After that, go to Google and search for the World app. Once connected to the VPN, the World app will appear in the Play Store. So then you can install or update the World app normally. In my experience, even if the VPN stays open in the background, the World app does not detect it.